I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both apps so navigation behaves predictably. Open Google Maps first to verify your location accuracy, then open Uber. Make sure you grant location and map permissions. Once done, tap a destination in Uber to see map choices. Google Maps should appear as the navigation option if enabled. If you use Android, set Google Maps as the default navigation app in Uber settings. If on iPhone, allow Uber to open external navigation. This gets you ready for routing. You now run the middle steps that actually move you. After accepting or requesting a trip, tap the navigation button in the Uber driver or rider screen, then choose Google Maps from the list. Once selected, Google Maps launches with the trip route. Verify the pickup and drop-off pins match Uber's addresses, and choose alternate routes if traffic looks heavy. Start navigation and follow voice prompts. Make sure voice guidance volume is audible, and watch for lane guidance and real-time traffic updates to stay efficient. Complete the trip by ending navigation in Google Maps, then tap Complete or End Trip in Uber so fares and ratings finalize properly. If you notice address mismatches, re-enter the drop-off in Uber and reselect Google Maps to resync the route. This corrects geocoding errors. If Google Maps won't open from Uber, restart both apps, check permissions, and reboot the phone if needed. For persistent failures, clear app cache or reinstall the app. Those steps usually restore proper linking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.